You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that does confuse quite a lot of people. That's because it has different pronunciations depending on the origin, the accent, the local language. So let's go through. For more pronunciation, stay tuned. In Portuguese, the pronunciation is as Vicente, Vicente, or Vicente. In Spanish, pronunciation Vicente, Vicente. French, it's generally pronounced as Vicente, Vicente. In English, however, the pronunciation is most generally as Vicente, Vicente. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments, and let us know where you're from as well, so we have a better context and perspective on how to say it correctly. See you there in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.